How to download Alight Motion on PC. Downloading and installing Alight Motion on your PC is a straightforward process, even though the application is primarily designed for mobile devices. To run Alight Motion on your PC, you will need to open a web browser on your PC. So, here is a step-by-step guide to help you easily install Alight Motion on your PC. Firstly, open any web browser and in the search address bar, type down Alight Motion Download. Now simply tap on the first option available there and you will be navigated to Alight Motion Downloading website. Now, after that, simply scroll down and look for the download option available there. Here you can see download option available. Simply click on the download and download it to your PC. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.